Hello, hello. Good
Hello.
evening. Good evening pero ang liwanag. Mga 11:20 na yata ng gabi. Pero ang liwanag pa din. Yan. Kaya naisipan namin ni Habibi mag-ikot-ikot. Mag-walking-walking. Mga tulog ng mga tao. Keep quiet, baby. Keep quiet. So tell me, why ano? Why still bright?
Why? Because the sun hasn't set.
Oh, the sun is there. That's the sun, right?
Yeah, it's there somewhere.
This one?
Yeah, in that direction. The sun won't set until like 3 o'clock. 3 a.m.
3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, and then for sure it will just rise again 3:30.
I saw people
But
there.
it will not. It will not be dark.
I saw people there
Yeah, there are people.
walking also. So not only us. Oh,
No,
they're
there are
playing
more crazy
actually.
people in the world than just you.
Oh, they're playing actually. So ayan guys. Maghahating gabi na pero super liwanag. Ayan. Grabe ang liwanag. Mga tulog ng mga tao, karamihan. Have we been there, this area before? Have we been to this area before? No,
Yes.
I can't remember.
Last time we walked a long circle and we came from up there and we walked. We didn't come this side.
Oh, may mga tao dun naglalaro. They're
It's like
playing.
a common area. There's outside barbecue here.
Ah, alright. So ito ang ganap dito. Ah,
This
there's
area, a lot of, I don't know, but according to my mother, some of the Asian people that live here in town, they will gather here,
alright.
like having barbecue in this park.
There's a tent, Habibi. Is that a tent? Ah, no.
No, it's a small.
So ayun, oh, ang liwanag, grabe. Parang madaling araw. Pero kahapon yata yung ano, kagabi yata yung pinaka bright. As per sa sa kalendar nila. Kaso dito naman sa sa Iceland umulan ng very light kagabi. Pero somewhere neighborhood countries super bright daw. Saka kitang-kita mo talaga yung araw. Right, Habibi?
Huh?
Last night,
Oh,
the brightest the brightest night.
the longest.
The longest bright.
Longest day.
The longest day pala. Ayan. Beautiful flowers.
But this evening is what they will call Midsummer's Night.
The witch night?
Midsummer's Night, like in Shakespeare, Midsummer's Night Scream.
Ah, okay. The aswang-aswang night also.
Huh?
The aswang-aswang. The aswang-aswang. The witch.
They will burn the witch in Denmark. They're doing that tonight.
Not here in Iceland.
No, no, no.
There is no witch here.
We just don't burn them.
Huh?
We don't burn them.
We walk with them.
We're more tolerant.
Ayun, no? May mga naglalaro doon.
LGBT plus also includes witches here. Are allowed.
Oh, really? So we are witches because we belong to LGBT. So, ayan.
Campsite.
Grabe ang liwanag para sa madaling araw.
Don't be too loud. They're sleeping there.
Oh, not so loud because people are sleeping. Ayan, oh, may nag-tent. Ay, ano pa yung tawag yun? Summer houses. Yan, no? Summer houses. Is that the hospital, Habibi? Of Mormor?
Which one? No, no.
No? Lawak ng playground. Ayan yung mga nag-summer camp. Yan ang mga bahay nila, yung mga nasa sasakyan lang.
Here you can play air golf.
In this.
Yeah. The basket there.
Alright. Is that a church? No.
Yes,
Church.
the church where I got my confirmation.
Ah, this is the
That's
church.
my school in the back.
The high school, no?
No,
Elementary?
high school.
Okay. Yung mga nag-camp. Mga nasa sasakyan lang. Ayan. Grabe. It's summer dito sa Iceland pero ang lamig. It's not summer here. It's winter.
This is summer. You tried winter already. There's a difference.
Yeah, but still cold.
Yeah, it's a little cold. Colder than usual.
Yes.
That's been a good month.
These are toilets.
Yes, the campsite.
Okay. Ayan, oh. Yung campsite. Ayan, grabe ang liwanag. Diyos ko. Mag-walk lang kami ng mga
Down here.
2 kilometers. Ah, okay.
Finished our
Yeah, I remember na. We went that side.
You lost your glove.
Yeah. Remember. I lost in Vikings maybe. Ah, there's a payment in that.
Yeah, for sure. You need to pay for two.
Mhm.
There, maybe you get this one.
So mag-walk lang kami ng mga 2 kilometers. Pang pa-refresh bago matulog. Ang dami kasi nakain. Ayan. Ang liwanag ng buhay. Alright.